all praise is due to Allah, the Lord of universe. Okay, actually we worship you alone and seek your help. Okay, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you are all doing very well by the grace of Allah. I am also very well by the grace of Allah. I am grateful to Allah for all the times, million, billion, alhamdulillah. Okay, actually today's topic is today's topic is okay, Suratul Fatiha. Suratul Fatiha. Okay, those who are watching this video from my Facebook page should follow my Facebook page, and those who are watching this video from my YouTube channel should subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, actually let's get started now. Okay, actually Suratul Fatiha of the number ayat, actually on number ayat, all praise is due to Allah, the Lord of the universe. Okay, 2 number ayat, the most gracious, the most merciful. Okay, 3 number ayat, who own the day of judgment, Okay, 4 number ayat, we worship you alone and seek your help. Number 5 number ayat, actually show us the straight path. Okay, 6 number ayat, the path of all those upon whom you have bestowed your blessings. Okay, 7 number ayat, actually of the Surah Fatiha, 7 number ayat, last number ayat, actually show us the path of those who are not cast and those who are not astray. Okay, actually already last number ayat finish, actually. Okay, actually this is the in the afternoon time, actually this is absolutely silence place, silence, actually time, lunch time, at noon's time. Okay, actually this is the jungle, actually this is the jungle. Okay, actually this is the weather here is so beautiful, very good. Actually the place here is very good. Okay, actually thank you very much for watching the video to the end. Stay well everyone, stay healthy. See you again in the next video. Wait for now, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.